Our robots are strictly designed and developed mostly around arc welding. So the fact that all of our menus and everything is right on that front screen just makes the programming of the pendant very simple. Plus, we've introduced our new collaborative robot where all the programming can be done with the end of arm flange, which offers just button programming, no pendant usage required at all.
We've got two models available with the VC4 and the VC4L. The VC4L has got a longer reach than the VC4. It's set up to be very easy to teach. You know, all of the commands that you may need to use a tablet or a teach pendant for are readily available at the end of the arm. So the lead through teach, the recording of the points, the weld commands are all right there. Very easy to use, very easy to learn.